Is severe weather coverage for East Alabama and West Georgia on Dr. Don's Weather. This coverage is powered by Southern Union State Community College, Alpha Insurance agent Jamie Dukas, and the East Alabama Bee Company, and brought to you in part by Roger Bell Auto Brokers, Genesis Way Clinic in Roanoke, Jimmy Stevens Construction, Anchor Roofing, Auction 431 South, Town of Wadley, and Bama Diesel Repair. Now, from the Dr. Don Studios, in the Alpha Weather Center, here is Dr. Don.
Well, good afternoon, East Alabama and West Georgia. Dr. Don back in here with you. Quick update for you. We're trying to work on a few settings on our stream, so we may come back live several times this afternoon, doing some testing and at the same time showing you what's going on with our current possible severe weather setup for this afternoon. The jury's still out on exactly how much we see across East Alabama and West Georgia, but at least there is the potential that we could see some strong to severe thunderstorms before the afternoon is done. What you're looking at right now is a mesoscale convective system that's coming down out of Tennessee, and this is headed for North Georgia. We also have thunderstorms across North Alabama that are moving off to the east, and they're headed for Northwest Georgia. So what we're looking at is a line of very heavy thunderstorms. The Weather Service out of Nashville issuing, or Knoxville, I think, is issuing, or Morristown, issuing severe thunderstorm warnings all along this line. The leading edge of these thunderstorms now just south of Athens, Tennessee, headed to the south. So you North Georgia folks, really anywhere from Rabun County over to Towns, Union, Fannin, all the way back across to Lookout Mountain. Heads up, a strong line of thunderstorms crossing over I-75 just to the northeast of Chattanooga, headed to the southeast. Those storms will be moving into North Georgia here in the next hour or so. Then as we look back over in Alabama, we've got storms that are moving off to the east, maybe a little bit to the northeast. Going to be interesting to see what happens when these two systems collide somewhere around Chattanooga this afternoon. And we're watching thunderstorms begin to develop over in West Alabama. Big thunderstorms now north of Hamilton, also north of Fayette, Alabama, just to the west of Jasper. And you see the cloud coverage. We've got the infrared, or not infrared, but we've got the visible satellite on for you as well. So you can see that it's still mostly sunny down here in Roanoke. Broken clouds across Clay County, Talladega, down into Coosa, Tallapoosa, Chambers, you're mostly clear. Lee, you've got clear skies, and all of our West Georgia counties clear at this hour with temperatures soaring up into the 90s. There is a good bit of humidity out there this afternoon. That's going to allow these thunderstorms to develop as we go through out the rest of this afternoon. So once again, there's a quick look at the thunderstorm activity that is developing at this hour. Right now, the danger zone is going to be northeast Alabama and northern Georgia for the next hour or two. However, we do expect that to change as we get into later this afternoon. We may see some of those storms develop across East Alabama and West Georgia as well. We do have a severe thunderstorm watch this afternoon for portions of North Alabama and up into Tennessee. Just trying to see if I could get the verbiage on that. Well, we've got a heat advisory also for Fayette, Greene, Hale, Lamar, Marengo, Marion, Pickens, Sumter, Tuscaloosa, Walker, and Houston counties of Alabama this afternoon. So anytime the temperature and the humidity gets much above 90 degrees, we see those heated, or 95, feels like it's 95 out there. We'll start to see those heat advisories go up as well. Weather Service was hoping they wouldn't have to go there this afternoon because of the rain possibilities, but the rain just hasn't developed just yet. So we're seeing that. So, yeah, the severe thunderstorm watch is going to be north of Gadsden, up into the Huntsville area, back up into Florence, and then across most of Tennessee. Severe thunderstorm watch in effect for this afternoon. So there's the latest update from Dr. Don's Weather. We'll continue to watch this for you and bring you updates as we go throughout the remainder of the afternoon here on Dr. Don's Weather.
This has been severe weather coverage for East Alabama and West Georgia from Dr. Don's Weather. Coverage has been powered by Southern Union State Community College, Alpha Insurance Agent Jamie Dukas, and East Alabama Bee Company, and brought to you in part by Roger Bell Auto Brokers, Genesis Weight Clinic in Roanoke, Jimmy Stevens Construction, Anchor Roofing, Auction 431 South, Town of Wadley, and Bama Diesel Repair. We will continue to monitor weather conditions across the area and return with the latest information as conditions warrant. This is Dr. Don's Weather.